Yeah, hello and welcome to another quick update here about Solana. So Solana also, similar to other cryptos, in a difficult situation at the moment. There is a potential to count this as a bullish pattern, and to be honest, it works quite well as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. If you have a leading diagonal, I did explain that yesterday in the video, then you normally have your wave, which is coming down afterwards, your wave 2, coming down to the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Now, that is not yet reached. We have come down below the 61.8, which was here at 32.32, but we have not yet come down to the 78.6% Fib level at 29.39. As I mentioned in the previous video, I wouldn't be surprised to get there, however. We can currently, however, count this bullish, which would indicate that we had the low in here already on the 14th of June at around $26. Just below that, $25.70, and that we then moved up in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're now coming down in something like a WXY corrective pattern in a wave 2. Now, the problem we have at the moment, because it is so early in the possible uptrend, it is very early in the possible uptrend, we can also count this corrective with an impulse starting down now. Therefore, at the moment, we need to fall back to our support and resistance levels to give us clues about which scenario is working out here. At the moment, unfortunately, a lot of uncertainty in the markets, and this is currently reflected in the Elliott wave patterns and generally in the markets. Very uncertain, very insecure, and for me, the level that is very, very relevant, and I highlighted that a few times, is the $48.41 level. Crucial. And if we take a look at the Elliott wave pattern here, it reveals why. Because this was a wave 4 high. And if you go in a beginning of an uptrend above the previous wave 4 high, that is always a good indication that a trend is shifting and that the trend is moving around. Nothing is 100%, but it's a good indication. In addition to that, if we count this bearish, we count this as an impulsive move down, and we say, all right, maybe the impulse isn't finished yet. This is a correction to the upside, another impulse following down. Then let's say we could count all of this, I don't know, maybe as a wave 1 down and the wave 2 up now, which would be very bearish because the wave 1 would be very long. But just as an example, you would then have to, you would invalidate this move down if you go above the wave 4. Okay, you would invalidate it. So therefore, this level is so important. So far, Solana has not even made it above the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average, a level here coming down in yellow, currently located at 41.43 roughly. And I've highlighted that to you before, that this will be a difficult one to get through. Be aware of that. And so far, we haven't got through. Actually, no crypto did get through the 50 days so far. This would be a good indication that we're heading back into a short or medium term uptrend. Going above it substantially and confirming it is important. That means we go through, we maybe close a 1 or 4 hour candle above it, then come down to retest it. And that would then be a really, really good signal. So far, we are here hovering around, and the key levels we need to watch out for further downward downside potential is here the $30.90 level. $30.90, that is the swing low here. Now we could say, all right, here the wave 2 in yellow is finished and we are starting to move up. Then this could here be a potential first a wave 1 to the upside, and a wave 2 down. But on the other hand, I have difficulties to count this as a 5-wave move. This looks very much like a 3-wave move only, which would be followed by a 5-wave move. So we would actually wait for another wave down, because we have here only 3 up and then 1, 2, 3. Again, there is more to come. There needs to come more, I'd say. Confirmation that wave 2 is over. Probably the best you get is a move above that $35.40 level. Because there is resistance here and here. And I think if we go above this level, $35.40, then it will unlock prices all the way up to $40. Okay, so this would be a possible trade setup idea. No financial advice. So from that point of view, we are here in a critical situation. A move below that level that I just highlighted here below, pretty much $31, that wave 2 swing low would probably lead us to retest here the previous low. That swing low of the wave 2 at $26.75, and below that we're pretty much already then making a lower low. Yeah, there's not much space then left to that $25.60 level, that low from the 14th of June. And if we go below that, my view remains that we will certainly find good support in the area between $19 and $21. Yeah, that has been previous support. And then we need to see how the price is reacting to that level. Absolutely. So for now, uncertainty in the market. Watch these levels that I gave you. A more sustainable breakout would be possible above $42.64. And then the crucial level that I highlighted to you is that $48.41 level to the upside. And overall, yeah, weakness in the chart. The indicators that did start to turn to the upside are already heading the other way. Yeah, a bearish crossover, unfortunately, here on the ADX. We had a bearish crossover on the RSI, and we had also here, we're just probably just doing it maybe in the next couple of days, a bearish crossover on the MACD as well. Currently all turning further to the downside. Okay, and that is currently my update here about Solana. I'll keep you updated, of course, about the Solana chart. Any changes in sentiment or in my view, I'll make you aware of. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.